Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time, and I am here at the Aroma Thyme bar, and hopefully some people will start joining me here in a few minutes. It is Wednesday. We are closed today, closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but I just thought I missed a couple of days, so let me bring you a cocktail today and tell you a little bit about our weekend and what's happening here at Aroma Thyme and fill you in, share some information with you. Hopefully some people will join me here in a few minutes. I'll give everybody a moment to join in. But if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me where you're watching from. I would love to hear where you're watching from. So hopefully everybody's having a awesome, beautiful day. Get outside, get some fresh air. It is beautiful outside. At least it was a little bit earlier. I did a 3-mile run today, walk, so that was awesome. Just to be outside and get that fresh air was amazing. So I see some people joining me now, so thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching me. So if you're new at watching me, I've been doing these Facebook Lives for almost a year now, so almost 2 years now. It'll be 2 years in March. I started right after the pandemic started in March of 2020. And I have been bringing you some awesome, cool cocktails since March of 2020. I wish I knew how many I actually have done. I don't know offhand, but it's a lot. It's at least 300 and something. I don't do them every day. I try to do them as much during the week, Monday to Friday, as I can. Sometimes I'll do a Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes I just can't get to it on Saturday or Sunday. So I see some more people joining. So hello, hi Dawn, hi Rodney. Thank you for watching me. If you're watching me live, if you can leave a comment for me, the more people that comment, the more this will get out there to different people watching. Hello. Thank you, Dawn. I appreciate it. Hope all is well with you guys. Hope you are having a great day. It is still nice out. Get outside and, I guess go for a walk, go for a run, do something, just get some fresh air, because I think it is starting to get cold again tomorrow. So, this drink that I'm doing today, a banana rum punch, is kind of inspired by the warm weather that we've had. We were in Florida watching Justin play baseball last weekend, so it's kind of inspired, and I'm hopeful that it's going to start getting warmer instead of colder. I know Friday we're expecting snow. Aroma Thyme will be open on Friday. If you can get out safely, please join us for dinner. We open at 5 o'clock. We are open Saturday and Sunday as well. We have a wine dinner on Monday, 4 wines and a dish for $29. So we'd love to have you join us for that. And I'll give you a little secret. If you are watching me, you are, I disclosed this last night, but our deal of the week starts tomorrow. People have been asking for this dish to come back. It's our tuna dish, rare sesame crusted tuna with, are we doing it with?
Vegetables and rice.
Vegetables and rice, and it's served with the sriracha mayo and a peanut glaze. It is one of our most popular dishes since we've opened. We had to stop serving it the last couple of months because we just couldn't get it. And the price has actually gone up drastically. So we're gonna we are bringing that back to you this weekend. It is buy one, get one free. It's $34.99, correct, Marcus? $34.99. But you buy one and you get one free. An awesome dish. It is spectacular, our tuna dish. So don't miss that deal from tomorrow until Monday. So thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. Marcus and I are so grateful for all the support in the last 2 years, and actually for 18 years that you've been supporting us. And a lot of you come in consistently each week to get takeout and to dine with us. So thanks, Dawn. It's yummy and a great deal. Awesome. So today I'm going to be making a banana rum punch. I'm going to be making it in a pint glass. Ooh, I need some ice. Marcus, would you do that? Get me some ice? That would be awesome. In the meantime, I'm going to mix up the ingredients. I'm going to use rum. I'm going to use banana liqueur. I'm going to be using pineapple juice and orange juice.
Ooh,
and I'm going to top it off with ginger beer. So.
Sounds really good.
All right. You want one?
I want one.
You want one?
I want one.
All right. I might need a little more ice though. I'll start with one, and if you want one, you can have one. So thank you. I see some more people joining me, so thank you very much. So I can't wait for like a nice mojito again and warm weather,
Mojito
like
weather.
consistently warm weather. So this is kind of to get us in the mood for warmer weather on its way, hopefully before we know it. So, all right, 2 ounces of rum. I'm gonna put an ounce of banana liqueur. If you want this drink, this will be available. We can make this here at the Aroma Thyme bar. Just ask Courtney or myself. So about an ounce of banana liqueur. We are going to put a splash of pineapple juice and a splash of Natalie's orange juice. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, please. I'd like to see who's on, who's watching me. Let me know that you're here. I see some people on. Just don't know who's here, so hello. And I'm going to top it off with some ginger beer. I'm going to mix that on up. I'm going to get a fun little straw. Oh, not so fun today. A black straw is all I have. We have these really cool, sustainable straws. They save the fizz. They are made, they're sustainable. You know, the glue in some of those straws, the glue in the straws, most straws, is toxic, and these are non-toxic straws. So we've been using these. These are MOSH free and 3 MCPD free. So only straw to be certified as that. They're called Redeem. We actually need to order more, so hopefully Marcus will be on top of that. And what am I going to put on top of this? I guess I'm going to put an orange, a blood orange right on top there. And I'm going to give this a taste. See how it tastes. It looks delicious. Oh yeah. That feels like we are out in the Caribbean somewhere. Really nice. You know, you can make this with coconut rum as well. That probably would have been good. Coconut banana rum. That probably would have been really good. I bet Marcus will have me make that next for him. Delicious. Awesome drink. Great tasting. Try some of these recipes at home. And you know what? If you can't try it at home, come on down to the Aroma Thyme bar. We'd be happy to make some of these drinks for you. Please listen to my ingredients though, and I don't remember what I've put in all of my drinks over the past 2 years. Some make it on our menu, some don't, but you know, write down the ingredients so that I know what goes in it, and we'd be happy to make it here for you at Aroma Thyme. I usually remember the last week, and then I forget from there. So hope you have an awesome day. We are closed tonight. It is Wednesday. Our special starting tomorrow is buy one, get one free tuna to go. And we have a wine dinner on Monday, 4 wines in a dish for $29. We're open all weekend. Call ahead on Friday, make sure that we're open. We will be open, I just don't know what time we'll close depending upon the snow. I know it is supposed to snow on Friday. So hope you have an awesome night, and we will catch everybody soon. Cheers.